Assalamu alaikum. For millions, Rabiul Awwal is a time to reassert one's love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This reassertion is commendable and praiseworthy. But how do I truly know whether I love the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Why do we need to love the Prophet, and what is meant by loving him? Let us explore briefly. The Quran tells us that the Messenger has more right over me than even myself. The Hadith tells us that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam should be more beloved to me than even my own child, my father, and all people. The scholars tell us, Ibn Qudama, love of the Messenger is mandatory for every Muslim. Al-Qurtubi, this love must take precedence over everything else. And Ibn Taymiyyah, that love of Allah and His Messenger should not only be equal to that of one's family and wealth, rather the love of Allah and His Messenger must take priority even over the love of one's family and wealth. So what does loving the Prophet actually mean? God forbid, are these just empty words? Is it an annual occasion? Is it a code of dress or a color code? Or a badge one wears declaring that I love the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam? How do we understand the true meaning of loving the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The Quran explained it as, if you love Allah, then follow the Messenger. And whatever the Messenger has given you, take it. And whatever he has forbidden you, refrain from it. The scholars have explained it as follows. Loving the Messenger starts with following him, supporting him and protecting his sunnah, continuously mentioning and remembering him, favoring him over oneself, missing him and longing to meet him. Al-Qadi Iyad said, the reality of loving the Prophet ﷺ is making all that which one loves and favors correspond to what the Messenger ﷺ loved and favored. Right, so how do I know I truly love the Prophet ﷺ? Now ask yourself the following. No one can ever doubt this ummah's unquestionable passion for the Messenger, but perhaps we need a little soul searching. I declare my love for the Messenger ﷺ, yet I have never read his seerah, his life, so I really don't know his life, his struggles, or his mission. I follow him selectively when it suits my interest. I don't refer to his life when it comes to money matters, or when it comes to my financial dealings, business dealings. I ignore his sunnah when it comes to marriage, domestic affairs, family disputes, disagreements, dealing with wives, husbands. I remember the Prophet ﷺ in Rabiul Awwal and inside the masjid during ibadat, but not outside the masjid, not during mu'amalat, and not during the other 11 months. And I am far too busy to concern myself with his nation, the affairs, the trials, the hardships of the Messenger's greatest concern and love, his ummah. What kind of love is this, my brothers and sisters in Islam? The rewards of loving the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam are great. Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu said, we the companions never rejoiced at anything more than the Messenger's words when he said, you will be on the day of judgment with those whom you truly love. Who wouldn't want to be with the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Then let us love him truly by 1. Getting to know him, read his seerah, acquaint yourselves with his life and cause. Number 2, follow him in totality. 3, love his ummah, his nation, whether it's Palestine, the Uyghurs or Rohingya. Familiarize yourself with their pains, struggles and the work that is needed. And then lastly, send salams upon him, mention him, desire to see him and desire to be in his company. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.